Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful secrets millionaires use to build wealth. And it's not luck, timing, or some secret stock tip. It's all about using tax-advantaged accounts, the legal, government-approved ways to grow your money faster by paying less in taxes. In this video, I'll reveal the top 4 tax-advantaged accounts that can accelerate your path to financial freedom. These are the exact tools wealthy people use to protect their money, multiply it, and retire years earlier than most. So grab your notebook because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make Uncle Sam your investment partner, not your enemy. Let's dive right in. Let's start with a simple truth. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. The wealthy know this. That's why they structure their money inside tax-advantaged accounts. So every dollar they earn grows faster because it's shielded from unnecessary taxes. And here's the best part. You don't need to be rich to use them. These are available to everyone if you know how to use them strategically. All right, let's break down the top 4 tax-advantaged accounts that can turn your average savings into serious wealth. Number 1, the Roth IRA. If you take nothing else from this video, remember this. The Roth IRA is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools ever created. You contribute money after taxes, meaning you've already paid tax on it. But once it's in the Roth IRA, that money grows tax-free. That's right, no taxes on the gains, no taxes on the withdrawals in retirement, and no taxes on dividends. Imagine this. You invest $6,500 per year starting at age 25. If your money grows at an average of 8% per year, by age 60, you'd have over $800,000, completely tax-free. That's why millionaires love the Roth IRA. It's like having a golden goose that lays tax-free eggs for life. Number 2, the 401k, your employer's hidden gold mine. Most people know about the 401k, but very few are using it properly. A 401k allows you to invest money before taxes. That means more of your paycheck goes toward investments, not the IRS. Even better, many employers offer a match, which is basically free money. If your employer matches 100% of the first 5% you contribute, that's an instant 100% return. Let me say that again, 100% return instantly. If you're not taking full advantage of your company match, you're literally leaving free money on the table. And once you max out your 401k, you can explore the Roth 401k version, where you pay taxes upfront but enjoy tax-free withdrawals later. The combo gives you flexibility now and in retirement. Number 3, the HSA, the Triple Tax Advantage Account. Now, this one doesn't get enough attention, but the Health Savings Account, or HSA, is one of the most underrated wealth hacks out there. Here's why. 1, you contribute pre-tax money, so you save on income tax. 2, the money grows tax-free. 3, you can withdraw it tax-free for qualified medical expenses. That's what's known as a triple tax advantage, and it's the only account that offers it. But here's the millionaire move. Don't use your HSA for small medical bills now. Pay those out of pocket. Let your HSA grow and invest the funds instead. Then, once you hit retirement age, 65 plus, you can withdraw that money for any reason, not just medical expenses, and only pay regular income tax, just like a 401k. So the HSA doubles as a stealth retirement account that grows tax-free and gives you flexibility later in life. Number 4, the 529 plan, the tax-free education fund. If you're a parent or plan to be, listen up, because this one can save you tens of thousands of dollars. The 529 College Savings Plan lets you invest money that grows tax-free when used for education expenses like college tuition, books, or even some K-12 costs. Some states even offer tax deductions or credits for your contributions. Let's say you invest $300 per month in a 529 for your child starting at age 5. By the time they're 18, you could have nearly $80,000 in that account. And here's a cool bonus. If your child doesn't need the money, you can transfer the funds to another family member or even roll some into a Roth IRA, thanks to the new 2024 rules. It's flexibility and tax savings rolled into one. Now, before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus tip. If you want to truly maximize your wealth growth, layer these accounts strategically. Start with your employer 401k match, then open a Roth IRA. Once that's funded, invest in an HSA if you're eligible. And if you have kids, use a 529 to give them a financial head start. That's exactly how many millionaires structure their portfolios, by stacking tax-advantaged accounts for maximum efficiency. So let's recap the millionaire hack for today. 1. Roth IRA, tax-free growth for life. 2. 401k, pre-tax savings and free employer match. 3. HSA, triple tax advantage and stealth retirement tool. 4. 529 plan, tax-free education investing. Master these and you'll be years ahead of the average investor. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Which of these tax-advantaged accounts are you using or planning to open this year? Thanks for watching.